How's it going, guys? Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today I wanted to let you know why you should not buy the GoPro Hero 9 or 10 media mod. If this content helps you guys out at all, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. So like you, I was looking at the GoPro media mod. We've been recording with the Hero 8 Black for some time, and I thought it was time to update. So I thought we should go to the Hero 10 Black, and we would go with the media mod and then put the Rode mic on top. So we got this in and put this camera setup together. We got the light here, the two cold shoe mounts, which is kind of nice. So this kind of interferes with the filming if you're gonna do super wide angle. I do like the light. It's pretty bright and it works pretty well. But one thing is, whether you have the microphone on top or the light over here, this door will not open up all the way. You can still pull it out, but you're definitely bending it like it shouldn't be. You know, third parties do sell boosters to get your mic up if that's your worry here. Most people, if you're recording with a GoPro, are not holding a camera like this, okay? And if you're recording a bunch of video, you know, you're gonna be swapping out this battery like no other, okay? These batteries die quick. You're gonna have to change them out frequently. You're not sitting there charging this with a cord either. You have a separate battery charger with batteries on hand ready to record. You have to pull the whole camera out of the media mod to replace that battery. Now, let's go ahead and put our selfie stick on, or tripod, or whatever you're gonna be using. Okay, you lock this in. For time's sake, I'm not gonna lock this in, okay? You have your camera on the tripod, or quick mount, quick detach, which I do on my other camera. I have a quick detach so I can swap from a tripod to a selfie stick in no time. We're going to swap our battery out, right? And you can't, because instead of putting the feet for the tripod or your selfie stick on the media mod, they used the feet from the camera, which is locked in here. So you cannot take the camera out to change the battery without taking your tripod or selfie stick off and unscrewing this whole deal down here. So that, I think, is the crucial flaw in this design. I really don't understand why they would even have released this like this. I will be returning mine, and I found another mount that's gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna have to use the adapter for the Rode mic, but it's not gonna have the hassle to pull it out like this every single time to replace the battery. This ruins the mount, okay? I don't know why there's not really any videos on YouTube about this. I saw one other guy who, like 5 minutes in a video, posted that this is a problem. This is a serious problem, and if you're recording any substantial amount of content on a GoPro, you are gonna throw this thing in the trash after a couple hours of recording, because you're gonna get real tired of playing the game of unscrewing your tripod to change the battery out. Thank you, guys. That's really the gist of it. Like I said, if this helps you guys out at all in making your decision, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe. Throw me a comment down below on why you think they designed it like that. Do you think they weren't confident that shoes on this media mod would not hold the camera in, or you might lose it, or it might slide out? I have no idea what they were thinking, but it is definitely not a good design.